Hi guys, welcome back to Sunrise Kitchen. In today's video, as you read on the title, I'm sharing with you a super delicious recipe which is called kebab wrapped with eggplant. It's super delicious guys. I really recommend it for you to try it. So I hope you will like it. Let's go right into the video. So the first ingredient, as you can see here, I have eggplant and I'm gonna use 3 for this recipe, but you can use less or more, it depends how much you want. And then I'm gonna cut it into thin slices, and it doesn't have like to be exactly all the same size, but just try your best. And then add some salt to it, because the salt will pull the moisture to the surface of this vegetable, just exactly what we want. And the second ingredient I have here, minced beef, and I'm gonna add to it about 3 garlic cloves and some salt, black pepper, and a half a teaspoon of mixed spices. And then of course guys, we're gonna give it a very good mix. And after I finish, I'm gonna show you how I will shape it. I'm gonna take a small amount and shape it like that, just like a small kebab. And I'm gonna show you another one just to be more clear for you. Then I will add a little bit of butter into a frying pan. After that, I will add the meat that we shaped earlier. And after it's cooked, we're gonna take it out from the heat. And just make sure, do not make it be overcooked. Then I'm gonna get back to the eggplant that I sliced earlier and put it onto the kitchen paper towel to get rid of all the moisture that came out of it. Then I will grill it and not fry it like the original recipe, because as you know, eggplant absorbs a lot of oil when frying. And I will brush the eggplant with a little bit of olive oil or butter, and then I will put it on a non-stick frying pan, and just make sure to press on it a little bit and then flip it out and press again until it takes a golden color. But you can still fry it with lots of oil if you don't want to use this step. Then you can use any template shape you want. Then take one slice of eggplant and put a meat on it and just roll it like that. And after I finish the whole amount, if you have any meat left, you can put it as well, just like that. Then as you can see here, I have prepared one of onion, capsicum, and tomato. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use one slice by one, like one slice of tomato, one slice of green capsicum, and one slice of onion, and so on. And this is how it looks like when I finish. And also we will need some sauce to put on it, so I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of mixed spices, 1/4 cup of paprika, and 2 cups of water. And of course we're gonna give it a good mix, and then we're gonna add it to it. And then you have 2 options to bake it, whether you wanted to bake it in the oven or on the stove. What I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna bake it in the oven about 200 degrees, and it took me about 40 minutes. And then I'm gonna cover it with a baking paper before adding the foil. And now we're gonna cook some rice, and this is my way to cook it. I'm gonna add some oil into the pot, and then I'm gonna fry some whole spices, bay leaf, cardamom, clove, black pepper, and kebab chini. Then add less than a half a cup of shortcut angel hair pasta, and leave it to fry until it takes a golden color. And just keep mixing it because it takes color very quickly. And here I have some rice that I soaked and washed and drained from the water earlier. Then add some salt as you desire, and leave it to fry for a few minutes before adding the water. And as you know, each rice needs a different amount of water, so just follow the instruction about the rice that you are using. And now after it's been 30 minutes, we can look at the dish that in the oven and take out the baking and the foil papers and continue baking it for 10 minutes. And after the rice is cooked, we're gonna take out the spices that we add, and then we're gonna serve it. And this is how it's look like when it's finished cooking, and the smell is so good guys, as well as the taste. So I hope you guys like this recipe. Give it a go and let me know in the comments below how you like it. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe too and hit the notification bell to receive all future videos. And see you in the next video. Bye!